In this video, we're going to talk about two-way radio encryption and why you may want to use it. Two-way radios programmed to digital mode offer a basic level of privacy due to the digital technology when compared to analog-only radios. In the past, this digital signal was hard to scan and listen to with the scanning tools available until now. Today, scanners can be purchased for a few $100s. The scanner does take time, but eventually is able to allow digital conversations to be heard.
Talking on an unencrypted radio being picked up by the scanner. Talking on unencrypted radio being picked up by the scanner.
What can you do? If you wish to prevent people from listening to your two-way radio calls, use encryption. Encryption will make your conversations as private as possible. With encryption turned on, even digital scanner will not have the ability to listen to your call. There are scanners that will eventually decipher your encryption key, but are extremely expensive and will take some time to decipher your radio signal. What are some tips to using encryption? We recommend a display radio. The display includes an icon telling the user when the encryption is turned on or off. You can use a radio without a display, but you should program the radio channel or channels to always have encryption turned on, since the user will not have any way of telling the status. You can use encryption on any of your programmed digital channels. Decide if a radio button will be able to turn encryption on or off, or select which channels have encryption enabled all the time. When using encryption on a radio channel, only other radios on the same channel and with the same encryption key will hear your call.
Radio testing encrypted channel 1, 2, 3. Radio test encrypted channel 1, 2, 3.
All other users on the same channel that do not have encryption will not be able to hear your call. When using encryption, you will need to plan if you are going to add extra radios. This is important because when you add more radios, you need to program the new radios with the same encryption key as the original radios. Otherwise, the new radios will not talk to the old encrypted radios. Make sure the encryption used in your radio is compatible with other brands or radios within your same brand. Knowing which radios are compatible with your radio will give you options and flexibility in the future. You should look at the specifications of your two-way radio to see if it offers any type of privacy mode available. There may be two types of privacy modes listed on the brochure: a scramble mode and an encryption mode. Scramble mode is generally the term used if the radio is operating in analog mode, and encryption is the term used when the radio is operating in digital mode. Encryption is better at protecting your conversations than scramble mode. If you plan on using encryption, check to see if the encryption version available is included for free, or if you need to pay a fee to activate it. Often, vendors will list the version included as basic and the one requiring an extra fee as advanced. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.